Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to bring layer to front. So in this example we have two layer, red and yellow, and if you want to set red yellow to the front, you can right click and then use the quick select. The next properties you can choose layer and you can set for the value into the red layer. Click OK. It will be automatically select all objects in the red layer. And you can type draw order, press enter, and choose front. So the layer will be moved to the front point. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027. How to bring layer to front.